Hello, hello, hello again. This is really late, but if I move it anymore, it's gonna slide. I don't have a car holder yet. Anywho, happy Friday. I am at my son's first season opener football game. It actually just started at 4 o'clock, but I had to find me something to eat. And so I got me, before it rolls out of my thing, some Panda Express, the Shanghai steak with the super greens. I just wanted something light for right now, so after the game and my son is all done, we'll go get dinner. But that's what I got. Just a little panda bowl with Shanghai steak and super greens. I like their super greens. So I hope everybody then I got a kid size soda because I don't think I could take any drinks in there, probably just water. And I got my water. But hope everybody was having a good Friday. You got a 3-day weekend. Normally we barbecue. I ain't barbecuing nothing. I don't know when I'm gonna fix, but we've been having excessive heat morning, and I'm not trying to be out there messing over no grill. And it's 112 degrees outside. So no barbecuing for me. Other than that, some cabbage and that steak. Other than that, I really don't have anything going on. So while I'm eating, right quick, I want to talk about a topic that just came across my feed about maybe a week and a half, 2 weeks ago. It's a video that got and information that got leaked about YouTube and the algorithm. And I had to talk in between chewing. So if you are a content creator or you know a content creator, pass this on. I've been trying to pass it on to everybody I could. Sugar's Delight didn't bring the video to my attention. I brought it to hers, but she did bring to a lot of us attention of how to check to see if your watch hours are correct if you're not monetized. Some people don't understand how to check it, what it means, which I was one. She did, and she had been noticing her numbers going down or fluctuating. And so finally she looked at it, she added it up, and they had basically robbed her of like over 700 watch hours. They have been telling people it was a glitch, but I don't buy it, because this video came out about how YouTube, what they're doing is they're pushing up the bigger platforms, creators, and those little people, they pushing down. And what I mean by little people, people that are probably under 100,000 subs. That's what I mean by little people. If you up there like 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, a million subs, they're pushing your videos up in the algorithm. But us little people, they are pushing our videos down. And I believe it's the reason why is because it all comes down to that shmoney. The big YouTubers, they get a lot more money off of them than they do us. Hence, that's why they keep messing with your analytics numbers. And some people have even noticed that they're not getting as many views on their videos as they used to. And that's because, again, they're pushing the big YouTubers up, so that what that means is their videos will show in the feeds more than the smaller YouTubers. And it was leaked. This behind the scenes private meeting was leaked by a person who works for YouTube and had inside information. Excuse me. And once he leaked that info, he was fired. And another YouTuber did a video on it. But here's how you check your watch hour numbers on your analytics. When you go to analytics, you're gonna see all of these numbers. You'll see how many views you got. You'll see how many watch minutes you have, and it's always on 28 days. What you want to do is click on the arrow where it say 28 days and put it to 365 days, so to give you the year's worth from last year of this time to this year of this day, or whenever you check it. Now the watch hours are in minutes on your analytics. I don't know how to change it to hours. I clicked around and tried, but I don't know how to do it. But it'll come in minutes. So the watch is watch hours. What you do is take those minutes, go to Google and say, for instance, I had like 91.3 thousand watch minutes. So what I did was I went to YouTube and put in convert 91,300 minutes into hours, and it will pop up how many hours that 91,300 minutes is. Then you get that number, you go back to your analytics and go to channel. They've changed it, but if you click on the classic, if you click on your classic studio, you'll go to channel and then monetization, and then you'll see your watch hours. If they're not adding up to those watch hours the same as it is in those watch minutes that you converted to hours, then that means that they're not giving you all your watch hours. Your watch hours is for the year. So the only way to contact them is, as far as I know of, is on Twitter. Once you contact them on Twitter, they'll hit you back on Twitter. If they'll change it or not, I'm not sure. Sugar Delight's got her changed because I guess in her city they have a YouTube office. So she went to her lawyer and asked what could she do about it. And the lawyer said, well, let's go over there and talk to him. And they went over to the YouTube office, talked to the I guess who was in charge, and they put it back on her. They put her watch hours up to date. She actually said they gave her more than she was supposed to have. And I'm guessing, well, she was guessing it was probably like hush money. I mean, you know, hush hours. Don't tell nobody what we doing. Because I would have never known to do that. And once I started paying attention to it, one night they did lower my watch hours, but then the next day it was updated, but I was still short by like 70 watch hours. So I've been lazy and I've been meaning to hit them up on YouTube, but just haven't done it. I'm gonna check mine again tonight to see if it's updated and they've given me all my watch hours to date. If not, I'm gonna hit them up on Twitter either tonight or tomorrow. Probably tomorrow, because it'll be late when I get home. So I just wanted to bring you that PSA and tell everybody, have a safe and happy weekend. Give me that thumbs up and peace.